Alrighty guys, what is going up? Welcome back to the Best Investing Money Management channel on YouTube, and in today's video we are going to be talking about Nvidia, ticker symbol NVDA. We're going to be doing a total stock breakdown. Should you buy, should you sell, giving you guys my honest opinion of this company. But I'm sure you guys know I am a huge Nvidia bull. Now, the reason why is Nvidia really focuses on technology, computers, graphic cards, all that good stuff, right? Pretty much heavily invested in tech. And I want to ask you guys this one question. Do you think that we are getting more dependent or less dependent on technology? Ask yourself that question. And me personally, I think we're getting more and more dependent on technology each and every day. Given Nvidia is heavily invested in tech, AI, all of that stuff, we're going to see a lot of growth from this company in the next couple of years. Okay, so you can see this stock was trading for about $162 about 180 days ago. Then we've seen this great and strong upward trend hitting highs at $346. Then we just had a little sell-off, right? Now, why we had the sell-off, anytime a stock goes from 160 to 350 bucks in less than 180 days, that's going to be very, very volatile. It's going to have swings. And the stock is still up right now, 180 days ago, at about 66%. That's outperforming all of those indexes, the Dow Jones, the NASDAQ, the S&P 500. When the stock was sitting up here, it was up 120%. So given we had sell-off, it's kind of expected. Looking at the 1-year chart, you can see we had that great growth, right? Hit that, 146 mark, came down, tapped that 200 moving average line, classified that as very strong support. So now it hit it and we are moving its way back up to the next resistance would be here at 285. Okay, but given Nvidia came out today and released a lot of fantastic earnings. So right now we're on Yahoo Finance, right? So Nvidia beats fourth quarter earning estimates on power of data centers, gaming businesses. So you can see the revenue. It was expected to be 7.4 billion, came out with 7.6 billion. The diluted EPS or the adjusted EPS beat it. The data center, they beat it. The gaming, they beat it. Automotive was the only thing that they actually lost on. But I definitely think we are getting into this very, very strong company, and I think that this is a great investment. I think that Nvidia carries a lot of potential. I think given the overall rise of the metaverse, cryptocurrency, Nvidia is going to be making a ton of money off all of that. The metaverse, how do you think people are going to get online without computers? They can't. Nvidia makes that, and I think that within the next couple of years, all of these people that are heavily invested in finding the next Tesla stock or finding the next, Apple, they're going to be looking for opportunities just like every single day. I think the metaverse is going to be kind of what the electric vehicle space did, where we've just seen crazy valuations, stocks pop up, and I think Nvidia is going to be one of the front runners of that sector. And the beauty of this stock is we have a great upward trend. We have solid fundamentals. We have good earnings. We have a dividend. So each and every quarter, you guys can count on cash flow coming in. So it's not just like you're left empty-handed. Not to mention, guys, from the highs here, the stock is sitting sold off about 23%. It's like buying your favorite car at a 23% discount. Imagine if you wanted to buy a car and one day it came out with a 23% discount. You're going to be trying to buy as much cars as you can, and you could flip them. You could do anything you wanted. This company, I'm telling you, carries a lot of potential, and yes, it's going to be risky, right? A company like Nvidia that's going to be heavily invested into, all of that stuff I just mentioned, the metaverse, AI, technology. There's going to be volatility with it. Volatility brings opportunity, and you have to understand that. So how much should you invest? Okay, so I definitely think it's very hard to determine, a certain amount. What I think the absolute best investment strategy for everybody should be would be dollar cost averaging. Figure out however much you want to invest, whether you want to go with M1 Finance and just invest a fixed amount every week or month. Just be very consistent with your investments. And the reason why is because if you dollar cost average Nvidia, you can get in on very good sell-offs, right? Given we have a sell-off, right now, if you continually invest, even if you started at $346 and you invested every single week, you're moving your average cost down. So when this stock recovers, you make a lot more money. And I think Nvidia is going to be a great stock. It has a ton of solid profit, has a great profit margin, sitting right now at about 34%, which is great. Every time this company brings in $100, they profit $34. I think they're working on it. I think there's so much potential with this company. Dollar cost average it. Understand there is volatility with it. Don't go heavily invested and invest 100% of your money in it, but don't be afraid to put, 5-10% of your portfolio into a company like this, given the outlook of it. That's my opinion, guys. So I will stop with my tangent. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I can't even talk. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe. We will see you guys later in another episode. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe out there. Take care.